Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys my little game that I've made. So over here we have the main file, the main Python file. So basically what this guy is basically just the game pretty much. Is where all the game logic is. Now I'll be running this to show you guys. So I'm just gonna type Bob for example and then hit, oh wait, I thought I swapped the assets. Hold on. What? Yeah. Oh my god. Hold on a second, oh boy. It's just one character. There we go. Save. Boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Okay, it should be working. This guy needs to be rotated, but that's fine for now. So basically, you shoot by holding down. You shoot by left click, and then you move with WASD. And I will not be using that with arrow keys. You can press escape to quit the game. Pretty much, and hold on a second. I will be changing something. So let's see. Let's see. Where is it? Ah, yes, here it is. So that shall be now. Okay. Now it shall be work. Now I can show you guys more easily. So if I just shoot like that, that should spawn. Yep. Okay, it spawns 2, and then there's 1 remaining. Okay, so all I have to do is just get rid of these guys, and I will be able to show you guys what it looks like to win, I guess. There we go, the screen pops up. I can still quit it, but I can still close it, but I still can move. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, now I'll show you guys what it looks like to lose, pretty much. So right now you're, I forgot about that. Well, your health bar is going down. Once it goes down completely, there's that, but then you can still go. I don't know why, but that works. Okay, well, that's a bug pretty much. That's a little bug in the code. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it for my code. So, yeah, So all the libraries I use is Pygame, Pygame menu, and also Pygame pop-up. Those are all for the Pygame stuff. And then this guy's, so the random one, that's to determine where to put the enemies here. And they can have many enemies. So this function here deals with that. So for underscore in range of A can be any number, and then enemies is the list of file is the list, and then it will append a new enemy in there, and this guy's determined X, this guy's determined for the Y. Now if I go down here, these guys is for player movement. It locks when the player is in the menu. I'm actually gonna add a little thing. No, never mind. Actually, I'm not gonna add that there. But so when you click A, it will remove the player speed from the X values, because since the top left corner since 0, 0 is technically the top left corner here, it will be moving towards the left side here. Same with when you press D, it'll be moving more towards the right side. If you hold W, it subtracts, because over here 0, 0, subtracting by the player's speed is effectively having the player go up here. Pressing S adds, which makes the player go down. To invert it, well, you just flip these two, pretty much. You just flip the addition to subtraction here for applying the player's speed to the X and Y. This guy here, this guy allows you to shoot, bullets, and what the bullet is basically just an egg. Yeah, it's just an egg. And, yeah, pretty much, and then, so it's an egg, that's the thing. I forgot about that, the background's not clear, so it won't, so have a little thing. This guy here, so this guy is for the background, this guy is for the text for your score, this guy is for the player. Now this guy here is for the enemy logic, so the enemy will want to move towards the player's X and Y, and so it will be drawing and also, well, obviously being displayed, and if it's in the player's bounding box, which is being defined here, then it will subtract 0.05 from the player's health. Now the reason why it's not 0.5 or 5 is because, well, you lose too much health then. So, and obviously if the player is dead, it does this guy. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so, okay, yeah, it does that, and, yeah. If you hit close though, that's how you just glitched the game, I'm pretty sure. When the menu pops up, this here is for the bullets thing. So if, this guy is to remove any bullets that go off the screen, like, if it goes off this side, down here, or over here, then it'll just remove it. This guy here is to remove any dead enemies. Now this here is very important. So the end score, if it's for that, once the amount of defeated enemies, which is your score, is equal to a quarter of the end score, then it will spawn 2. Now if your score is equal to half of the end score, then it will spawn 2 again. And also, as long as your score is less than the end score, then it will spawn enemies. And if there isn't any enemies, then it will set this flag called Game 1, which will show this pop-up here. And same thing for the last one, and for some reason, it just, when you hit close, it just continues on with the game for some reason. And, yeah, that's pretty much my game. This file here is used to compile it. I have not included that in the GitHub link, which I'll be linking in the description below. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.